Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix MacBook Air not connecting to your Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to connect your MacBook Air to your Samsung Smart TV, but why is it not working? Now, the most common reason why people are not able to connect their MacBook Air to their Samsung Smart TV is because both devices are not connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So after having faced this problem myself, I then realized that my MacBook Air was on a different Wi-Fi network than my Samsung Smart TV. So if you're having the same issue as me, do make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And then once they're connected to the same Wi-Fi network, to go ahead and connect your Samsung Smart TV to your laptop, you're just going to click on the settings portion of your MacBook Air. Click on Control Center, and then where it says screen mirroring, I changed this to say always show in menu bar, okay? Afterwards, screen mirroring is going to appear on the upper right hand corner right over here. Click on that and then click on your Samsung Smart TV. So if you give it a couple of seconds, in just about less than a minute, my MacBook Air will now mirror my Samsung Smart TV, as you can see right there. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your MacBook Air not connecting to your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.